Hi, Gina here, and today I'm going to show you how you can create a beautiful website in WordPress, even if you're non-techie. So I have been the tech coach in Christina Hill's website creation workshop student cohorts since March of 2018, and I noticed that her students make beautiful WordPress websites, even if they aren't necessarily website designers or have knowledge specific to coding and that sort of thing. So I highly recommend that if you're not really happy with the website that you have, or perhaps it's on a platform that's not as versatile as WordPress, that you could consider joining the website creation workshop off of my link. And I have a little bit of information, so I wrote a short email to my list about Christina Hills. This particular cohort ends on June 22nd at midnight, but I'm offering 3 big bonuses. So if you join from my link, you'll get a spot in WooCommerce Made Easy, which is a new course that I'm creating, and that's a $4.97 value. You'll also get a spot in Teach Online from your own WordPress website, and this is about the Lifter LMS platform, and that's also a $4.97 value. That's an evergreen course that you can watch at any time that's convenient for you. And then you'll also get access to Master the Launch, and that is on affiliate marketing. So if you're interested in joining the website creation summer camp, please email me, gina@techdoneforyou.com, and let me know if you're wanting to join this, and if you have any questions for me, I'd be happy to answer them. My email is gina@techdoneforyou.com. At this point in time, there is an easy pay plan, which is $197 a month for 5 months. So you'll get this course as well as my 3 courses. And then there is a full pay option for only $897. And this is a great deal because a lot of times this course is priced over $1,000, so this is a great price to get in right now. So if you have any questions about how to make a beautiful WordPress website, even if you're non-techie, let me know. I'm happy to answer your questions and even talk to you if you would like to talk on the phone. So if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so that you don't miss the next video. Have a great day.